bruh or bruh. Usually it takes me about an hour and a half to do all the shoveling. Man, I thought I thought it was over. I put the snow blower away, I put the shovel away. I was like, alright, yo, it's over. That shit came back like cooked crack last night, man. I started cleaning the snow around 9 a.m. I didn't finish till damn near 2:30. Yo, I've been used to just the light powder, man, but this slush mix, it's heavy. It's heavy, man. I was talking to one of my coworkers last week, and she was talking to me about the heart attack snow, and it's when people spend so much time shoveling snow that you just get a heart attack, you just die sometimes, yo. I've been very mindful of my body throughout the process, and it was a very humbling experience because it allowed me to be mindful of my body, honor myself. And I took little breaks, I'd shovel for like maybe 15, 30 minutes, and I'd pause, grab some water. I'd come back, I'd work different areas at different points in time just so like I could mentally see or visually see how the work was unfolding. This area was just too difficult initially, so I kind of went down to the driveway and started doing some work. And as I was going down the driveway, man, just exhaustion was hitting. My biceps were burning, lower right back was burning. I felt the lactic acid building up, and I wanted to call it quits, but this was a test of endurance for me. I set out to get the job done, and if it took me 12 hours, I'm gonna get the job done. I broke up cleaning the driveway with brooming the slush built up over here later on, just because it gave my muscles a little break. And again, I said it was a humbling experience in being aware of my body, pain awareness, limits to my physical, and I've been slacking on my working out. So I've planned this week to start working out. So for me, this is a great introduction, It is a test of mental and physical fortitude. Onward. Peace.